there was just one field that I had to suggest to you for 2026, 2027 and many more years to come, it would be business analytics. But why am I saying so? Here's why. With every company today relying more and more on data to make decisions, the demand for business analytics professionals is skyrocketing. Companies are looking for data-driven experts who can turn massive amounts of numbers into actionable insights. And that's exactly where business analytics steps in. Whether it's crunching numbers, predicting trends, or helping companies make decisions based on facts and figures, business analytics is the ultimate power move in the job market. So, why is this the course that you need to pursue in 2026? Let's dive in and see how it can turn you into a high-earning, in-demand data wizard. But before we move forward, we will be sharing with you the top 5 universities and courses that can help you get into business analytics. So stick around till the end. First, the job prospects. Are you needed in the job market? The demand for business analytics professionals is exploding. Think about it. Every company, no matter what the size, needs someone to decipher the data to make smarter and faster decisions. From Amazon to Google, companies are hungry for data experts who can help them stay ahead of the curve. Here's where you come in. As a business analytics expert, you could land roles such as data analyst, business intelligence analyst, data scientist, operations analyst, and AI and machine learning expert. No matter the industry, from tech to healthcare, finance to retail, the world is your playground when you're equipped with business analytics skills. Second, higher salaries? Yes, please. Let's get real. You want a career that's rewarding, right? Well, business analytics is a goldmine. Fresh out of school? Expect to earn anywhere between $70,000 to $100,000 per year. But it doesn't stop there. As you rise through the ranks, data scientist, analytics manager, and chief data officer, salaries can soar to $150,000 to $200,000 per year. ROI? Oh yeah, it's worth every penny. When you invest in business analytics, you're not just investing in a degree, you are investing in a future-proof career. Number 3, a career that grows on you. Here's a secret. The future needs business analytics. With the rise of AI, big data, and machine learning, this field isn't going anywhere, ever. Think about it. Data will always be the backbone of every decision. Whether it's optimizing business strategies, predicting market trends, or improving customer experience, data experts will always be in demand. So if you want a career that keeps evolving with the future, business analytics is your ticket to never getting left behind. Number 4, we have the top 5 universities for business analytics, the best of the best. Alright, now we've talked about why you need business analytics. Now let's talk about where you can study. Here are the top 5 universities that you need to know, each one with a killer program that will set you up for success. Number 1, we have Massachusetts Institute of Technology, also known as MIT in the USA. MIT's Master of Business Analytics program is a powerhouse in the field. Get ready for intense, hands-on learning that will push your data skills to the next level. The ROI? Tuition around $80,000, but here's the kicker. MIT graduates can earn around 130,000 USD plus on their first job. It's one of the highest salary returns you'll get from any program. Number 2, Stanford University, USA. Stanford's MS in Management Science and Engineering program offers a blend of business analytics and cutting-edge technology. Oh, and did we mention it's in Silicon Valley? Yes, please. The ROI? With tuition of around $70,000, you're looking at an average salary of $120,000 when you graduate. And trust us, the Silicon Valley network is golden when it comes to career opportunities. Number 3, University of California, Berkeley in the USA. UC Berkeley's Masters of Information and Data Science program is for those who want to combine data science with business strategy. Plus, you get to live in the Bay Area, which is basically the heart of tech. The ROI. With a tuition fee of around $45,000, graduates can expect to earn an average salary of $100,000 in their first job. It's an investment that will pay off quickly in the tech capital of the world. Number 4, we have London Business School in the UK. London Business School's Masters in Analytics and Management offers the perfect blend of data and business. Plus, London is a major hub for finance and tech, perfect for those who want to work internationally. The ROI. Tuition fees cost around £45,000 and grads typically earn an average salary of between £60,000 to £90,000 annually. Considering the city's demands for analytics experts, you're looking at some strong ROI here. And finally, at number 5, we have INSEAD in France. INSEAD's Master in Business Analytics is perfect for those who want a global perspective. With campuses in Europe, Asia, and the Middle East, this program offers access to a truly international network. The ROI. With a tuition of around 50,000 euros, INSEAD graduates can enjoy a starting salary of between 70,000 to 100,000 euros depending on the location. To wrap it up, business analytics is the course you should be pursuing in 2026 because it is shaping the future of business. The demand is only increasing and the job opportunities and high salaries make it an incredibly smart choice. With data at the core of every decision, business analytics professionals will always be in demand. So what do you think? Ready to dive into business analytics and become a data superstar? Let us know in the comments below if you're considering this career path. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to keep up with all of our study abroad tips.